사람 네가 없는 이 소리를 걸어.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And whoa, guys, I am so excited. I'm going to be reacting to My Universe, which is a Coldplay x BTS song, and specifically Yoongi's remix. So I'm reacting to the Sugar's remix version. This is the official lyric video. Usually their lyric video screens get blocked, so I don't know, maybe I'll just hide the video or just blur it out, something I'll do. But I am so freaking excited, to listen to Yoongi's remix. I'm so glad. I didn't even know this was like going to happen, but I'm so happy that Yoongi got this opportunity to produce, like put his thoughts and produce this song and give us his version basically. So that's amazing. And I don't know, I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. He's an ace producer, and this is what I see for Yoongi in the future, that he become such a great producer, that he produces song for different artists, not just restricted to South Korea, but prominent international artists also, like Coldplay. So let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to My Universe, Yungapungu's remix. Yes! Okay. Here we go.
You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. And you are my universe, and in the night I lie and look up at you. When the morning comes, I watch you rise. There's a paradise they couldn't capture, that bright infinity inside your eyes. 매일 밤 내게 날아가. 이런 것도 잊은 채 나 웃으며 너를 만나. Never ending forever, baby. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you make my world light up inside.
I love it. I love it. This is probably my favorite remix. Oh my god. His vision is awesome. Yoongi is amazing, man. I've exhausted all, phrases, all the adjectives that I want to use for him. But I'm just so happy. This is making me really happy. And this is such a great rendition of My Universe. I love this remix. Once again, when the beat drop happens, what was that? That was amazing.
Morning comes, I watch you rise. There's a paradise.
And then when Jungkook's line comes in, the beat changes.
Infinity inside your eyes. 매일 밤 내게 날아가. 꿈이란 것도 잊은 채 나 웃으며 너를 만나. Never ending forever, baby. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first.
Oh wow.
My universe, and you make my world light up inside. 어둠이 내겐 더 변했었지.
Wow.
길어진 그림자 속에서. And they said that we can't be together because we come from different sides. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you make my world light up inside. My universe.
Oh yes. Oh my god. Oh, I want to listen to this part. Oh my god, this sounds amazing. After My Universe, how he mixed the, voice. This sound mixing is amazing. Oh my god. sounds amazing. It's probably my favorite part.
나를 밝혀주는 건 너란 사랑으로 수놓아진 별. 내 우주에 넌 다른 세상을 만들어주는
This video is also
너는
so
내
beautiful.
별이지 않아의 호주니까 지금의 시련도 결국엔 잠시니까 너는 언제까지나 지금처럼 밝게만 빛나줘 우리는 너를 따라 이긴 밤을 수놓고 너와 함께 날아가 When I'm without you I'm crazy
Oh my god, the beats are beautiful.
We are made of each other baby You are my universe and I just wanna
I love it. I love it. I feel so happy. I loved it. Guys, armies, you know I loved it. I freaking loved it. This just reaffirms my belief. This just reaffirms my belief that Yoongi is such a great producer. He can wear so many caps. Like he's, oh my god, imagine. Once again, I feel like imagine being so talented. You can produce, you can rap, you can write, you can freaking dance, and you can sing. And you look like a dream. I have no words. I swear, I already love the original one so much, and I liked all the remixes also. But this one has such a vibe that this has such a beautiful, dancey, chill, breezy vibe that I loved it. I really loved it. Wow, Yoongi, firstly, brilliant work. You have nailed it. You have nailed it. Like Yoongi literally nailed this remix. I feel so many beautiful instruments that I could hear, and how subtly they have been used. The way everything has been mixed sounds great. And my favorite part was after the second verse, when My Universe happens before the rap, before Hobi and Yoongi's rap. That unbelievably beautiful mixing that was done. I loved it. I think that was clearly my favorite part. Clearly my favorite part out of the entire song. I don't know, I just feel very happy. I just feel very happy seeing that. It just makes me happy seeing that his talent as a producer is reaching out more and more. The fact that he has done this, you guys also told me at last time that Yoongi has produced other songs also, which I have not listened to. Probably I'll give a listen to all the songs that he has produced. But I'm just saying the fact that he did this just is such a stepping stone, for him as a producer in his entire, he has a long career ahead of him. I feel he absolutely has a long career ahead of him. And I know that he'll continue to rap and write songs and stuff like that. But I think it's high time that everybody opens up their eyes and look at him, that what a great producer this guy is. Wow. The guy baffles me, man. He is just amazing. Boundless talent. Boundless talent this guy has. I swear, I thought it was impossible for me to love this guy more, but he's proved me wrong again. So yes, that was the reaction for My Universe Sugar's remix. I definitely want to know your thoughts on this. Did you like it? Did you not like it? it's a grower, whatever it is, whatever your opinion is, do share them in the comments below. And yes, armies, that was the reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have come till the end of the video. I will be signing off now. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have dropped in here for the first time. Hit the like button, comment down, do whatever. At least it helps the YouTube algorithm and it motivates me to make videos for you. So yep, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. The link is in the description. I will see you soon on my next video now. Bye bye.